In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to associate assets with a campaign in HubSpot. Associating assets with a campaign helps you see how every email, landing page, form, or social post contributes to your overall results. It centralizes performance and attribution, so you can make smarter marketing decisions. Let's walk through it together from start to finish. Open your web browser and search for HubSpot. Then head to the official website and sign into your account. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, complete that step and make sure you're in the correct portal with marketing permissions. Once you're in, move your cursor to the left-hand sidebar and find the marketing section. Hover there to expand your options and select Campaigns. This takes you to the Campaigns dashboard, where you can see all the campaigns available in your portal. Choose the campaign you want to work on by clicking its name. If you have a long list, use the search or filters to quickly locate it. Inside the campaign, go to the Assets tab. This is your central hub for everything already connected to the campaign, and it's the best place to confirm what's linked before you add anything new. To associate additional assets, click the Actions menu. From there, select Add Assets. HubSpot will open a selector where you can browse through different asset types. Depending on your setup, you'll typically see items like emails, landing pages, forms, calls to action, blogs, workflows, and social posts. Use the search bar or filters to narrow things down, then click on the specific asset you want to add. If you don't immediately see it, double-check that it's created in the same portal and that you're looking in the right asset type. After choosing your asset, click Save. HubSpot will associate it with the campaign, and you'll be brought back to the Assets tab, where you should now see it listed. From here, those assets will begin rolling their performance data into the campaign, helping you track influenced contacts, sessions, and conversions all in one place. If you plan to associate more items, simply repeat the Actions and Add Assets steps. A quick tip: keep your asset names clear and consistent. Adding campaign codes or dates can make searching much easier. And if you don't see the Actions button or certain asset types, check your user permissions or ask an admin to review your access. That's it. You've signed in, opened your campaign, reviewed existing assets, added the ones you need, and saved your changes. With your assets properly associated, your campaign reporting will be cleaner, more accurate, and far more actionable.